what you drive? What kind of car you got?
I got a Huracan and a Urus.
So then we're like 550, 600 horse.
Yep.
2,000.
2,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Bro, I'm telling
You gotta
you,
keep me safe, bro.
100%. You'd be safe with no one else, but me, I guarantee.
Yo, they have fire extinguishers on standby. Yo. Lighting fireworks. What the heck? Oh! He's just spinning. Yo, what the heck? You can't even see anything.